In this tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you want larger text for easier reading or need to fit more content on your screen, Outlook makes it quick and easy. If you're using Outlook desktop, open any email or start a new message. To quickly adjust the zoom level, hold the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. You can also use the zoom option. With an email open, click the View tab, then select Zoom. Choose a zoom percentage such as 100%, 125% or 150%. Then click OK to apply it. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open an email and use your browser's zoom controls. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in, Ctrl and minus to zoom out, or Ctrl and 0 to return to the default zoom level. That's how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.